Hi guys, so I'm in Charlotte. This is my first time here. I wanted to come down and visit one of my really good friends and check out this music festival, which I actually just got back from a little while ago. It was called the R&B Only Fest. So there's like a DJ and they're just playing like old school, not all old school, but like new school R&B and stuff too. Which is a really cool vibe. We were like in the pit, so like everyone was standing and we're like dancing and stuff. I just got really overheated and decided to come back to the hotel to cool down. I've been here for a little while now. I literally flew in this afternoon at like 2 and then rushed off to my hotel, showered, got dressed, and then we just went to the festival. So I didn't have a chance to eat anything and I'm like starving now. So I decided to get some Shake Shack delivered. I got a whole bunch of things I wanted to try that I never get. Normally when I go to Shake Shack, I just get like the bacon cheese fries and like a strawberry shake and a regular Shack burger. But I'm like, oh, let's try some of the new stuff. I haven't tried this before. So I got like the cherry pepper burger and this California one that has like fried pickles on it, which should be interesting. Sorry, the lighting is terrible in here, but this is the Cali burger. That's the bacon and cherry pepper one, the OG, and fries, and of course my strawberry shake. Hey y'all, it's day 2 in Charlotte. I'm about to go out and get some brunch because I decided to sleep in and it's really late in the afternoon now. Also because it's like really hot out, I kind of wanted to wait till it cool down a bit. So I'm gonna go out and grab some brunch. I've seen this really nice smoothie bowl place, which is like kind of perfect for this weather because it is like scorching down here. Um, and I'm also gonna go take a walk around the city center area because I've seen like some really nice historical buildings that I want to check out. And there's also like tons of shopping around here too. So let's go.